We're going to be walking through how to install joist hangers on our deck right here. So this is my rim joists, and then these are the floor joists. These are all 2x8s. So this is 2x8x16, that's 2x8x12. And I've got it connected up over there for our deck. And so basically the way I do it is I take the same boards I'm working with here. I have these little offcuts. This will be a good example. So like right here, I've marked my 16 on centers, and I'd have a little X here to denote where the actual board's going to be. So I know I'm going to want to have this thing here, but the question is like, how high or low is it supposed to be? So that's where this thing comes in place. So I'm going to set this so that this guy is right next to that, so that it's a flat surface to there. And then you come in with this, and I should have had it kind of already on there, but just going to tuck that in. And then what I do is just because I only have one hand, you're going to put in one guy right here, and you're pulling this thing up so it's tight against the bottom of this guy. It's at the same level as all these other joist hangers. And I'm going to throw in one of the construction screws into the top part, and then once we get one in there, you throw one in on the other side once you pinch this together, but just focus on getting this first one right there. And then you got your joist hanger installed, and then every single one of these holes I'm going to be putting in a construction screw or a connector screw just like that. So